Stone Horse Farm is a beautiful, low-key equestrian facility offering all the amenities an equestrian could ask for. When you walk into my barn, there are 16 beautiful 12 by 12 stalls. There's horse trunks, there's a tack room, a bathroom, hot water, heat, a place to sit. Little things that might not seem important to the average person, but to the equestrian who's been around the block, it's really important. You then walk into a beautiful indoor arena, which is well ventilated and well lit, with probably the finest footing in the area. And one of the more unique features of this barn is that in inclement weather, the stalls are attached to the indoor. And so you never have to worry about walking out in the rain, walking out in the ice, and here there's no reason for you not to be riding 24/7. The most amazing advantage of living close to your farm is that you can get up in the morning, you can look outside your window, you can see your horses, and when you're ready to ride, you can walk down right to your farm, get on your horses, and have a blast. This is a warm and wonderful home. It's got beautiful lighting. It's modern. It has enough room for you to wander and get lost in. The basement has a full media room, which I love. And there's enough wall space for art. In the reading room in the front, there's nothing like sitting there and watching the snow come down. Or sitting upstairs in the office and looking out at the pastures and watching the horses munch on grass. There's nothing like it. It's a very peaceful home. And I think that anybody that moves in here will find the joy that I gain from being here every day.